Hi guys, my name's Jonathan
I'm Lavana.
and we're from Law Lawyers and Associates. We're a firm based in Queensland and we specialise in personal injury and criminal law. Last week we talked about what to do after a motor vehicle accident. This week we're going to talk about what to do after a workplace accident.
If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe, share, comment and like.
So what should we do after a workplace incident? I guess the first thing to do, similar to a motor vehicle accident, is you should report any injuries that you have to a doctor. So if it's serious enough, of course, go to a hospital and then tell the doctor all your symptoms, if you can, and then go through and ask the doctor to complete a work capacity certificate for you, indicate that it was a workplace incident, and usually most doctors will know what to do afterwards.
The second thing that you should do would be contact your employer, tell them what happened. Obviously, your employer might want to complete an incident report.
So you should also make sure that it's in writing. So if there's an incident report that you need to complete or ask your employer to complete, make sure you get a copy of that as well. Because the last thing you really want to do is have a verbal argument about who you reported to, or if you can't recall and you're trying to explain to an insurer, having an incident report completed will best help
Will
you
be
with
most
that.
helpful, yeah.
That's right.
You will also want to record any witness details or contact details so that if they see what happened about the incident, they can also write a version of event for you.
Yep. And the third thing that you should do is make a report to WorkCover Queensland, or if your employer is a self-insured employer, then report them to the self-insured. And the best way to do that is by asking your employer who their insurer is, or you can contact WorkCover Queensland, ask them, explain that who your employer is, and then ask them who the relevant insurer is. And usually WorkCover Queensland would be able to assist you with that.
Alternatively, you can visit worksafe.queensland.gov.au, which is the link here, where you can have a look at which insurer you are with. So always remember, if you are involved in a workplace incident, first of all, contact your treating doctors, and then contact your employer, and lastly, contact WorkCover or the self-insurer.
So that's it, folks, for this week.
The next one will be talking about the definition of worker, definition of injuries, what's notice of assessment are, what's statutory claim versus common law claim.
We'll also talk about what happens if WorkCover or the insurer does not accept your claim, what your appeal rights are, and how you would go through that process.
So stay tuned.
And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. That's it for the time being. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.